Where? Where you at?
Over here.
How bad is it?
It's pretty deep.
Let me see.
Not super deep, but it's deep. Let's see.
Is that the one on my truck?
Huh? No, it's mine. What's that?
Spray some of that shit on there. It's gonna sound like a bathroom.
God damn it, Levi.
Here.
Yeah, fuck.
Oh. Here. I'll do that.
Oh, I'm so dumb.
Let me see. Okay,
What do you need?
I'm good, bro.
yeah.
You
It's
need
just fucking, just the edge. I need a big fucking gauze.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for.
Fuck me, man. My balls are out.
Hey, they
Dick's
are, look
out.
at that. Dick and balls.
Well, at least they didn't cut your balls off.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't
All
think
right.
the camera's on either, so you're good.
Oh, shit. Okay.
I said I don't think the camera's on.
No, I think we're good.
You're gonna
like
need to get that washed the fuck out.
Alright, I'm gonna take my pants off.
Hold on, quit spinning.